Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, GEYAN's vlog. And tonight I'm gonna show you how to sign up or set up an account in PayPal. So let's get started. So first thing is you'll just have to search it on web browser. Just type paypal.com and then you will be redirected to the search engine results page and locate the website of PayPal. Make sure that the site that you are visiting is the real website of the PayPal and not the mirror site, because those mirror sites are fake account, and probably you'll be creating an account to a fake account. So that is very important thing to do. So let's get started. So after you sign or search for the PayPal website, and then you will be redirected to this page. If you are already in the website of PayPal, just locate the sign up button and then you will be redirected to this page, and then you can either choose personal or business account. So I suggest to start with the personal account since you can upgrade it later on. So after that, you will be redirected again to this page. Personal, since we choose the personal account, you must choose the both of the above from the drop down menu, and then after choosing that one, just click and proceed to the next. So after you will be clicking the next button, or after you are settled with your personal account setup, and then you will be redirected to this form from the next page. So just comply or fill in those required details, and then after that just click the next button. So after clicking the next button, you will be redirected again to the other page, and this time you will be inputting the code that you receive from the phone number that you put in your PayPal account or the previous form that you fill in with your required details. So just wait for at least a minute to be sent it to your phone number, and then just put it on the boxes, and then it will automatically redirect you to the next page. So here you will be redirected to this page, and additional details that you will be filling in. So just fill in all the required details here, but please make sure that the details that you are filling in to those form is compatible, or the details that you used on your bank accounts, because if you withdraw with PayPal and then the details that you have listed in the PayPal account is not similar to the bank accounts, then issues will arise. So maybe your transaction will be on hold for several months or days, and then PayPal will require you for some details or files that needed to to be sent to them so that they can verify that it is you or that account is yours. Okay, so after filling in those information, just click this box here. I confirm. I have read, consent, and agree to the PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement. But before that, before clicking the I confirm, make sure that you already read the user agreement and the privacy statement. There are a lot of rules and regulations that you need to know in creating PayPal or if you are having PayPal account. So after that, you are all set up, and then you can, or after that form, you will be redirected immediately to the dashboard. And so let's see, after that, PayPal will ask you to verify your email address. So let's go to the PayPal website. So since I already created my account, so I will just log in here. So if you notice that my email address is already inputted because I use the LastPass here, all my login details has been saved on this application. So if you are new, if your account is new, there's additional rectangular box here that similar to this one. The first one is verify your email address, and then the second one is link your bank account. So I already verify my email address, so it disappear already, and I already linked my bank account. So if you noticed on my presentation, you didn't see how I linked my bank account because I prefer not to show it to you because it's confidential. And then, but you can skip that part, and then if you already have the bank account, then you can click the rectangular box here that is that looks like this one, but it tells you to link your bank accounts. So since this is my new account, this is my personal account, I am using my business account, so there's still a difference between personal and business account. The dashboard is very different, but I guess the two works well. I mean personal and business account are working well. So I test my personal account if it is really working well. So here I transfer 100 pesos from my business account, which is here. It will reflected here if you have a transactions. If you have transactions from different people, it will be reflected on this section. So what's inside the dashboard of PayPal? So this is the log out button, and these are the gear button, which is the settings. So if you want to edit something on your settings, then just click it here. So here, and then if you want to send money, just click it here. or if you want to request money from someone, then just click it here. So what's inside the more button? So the more button consists of this following: create an invoice, create an estimate, or go to the resolution center. So this portion is very important. If your client required you to send them an invoice, you can create it here. There's a template here, but you can also upload a template. You can also upload a template if you want. So here, if you want to add a contacts, so you can easily send money or ask invoice to your contacts. So this is the help button, or the contact us, the security. So you can also see the help here. So if you need some help with your account, you can just click it here. There's a fax here that you can read about, and this is the offers, the new offers or the previous offers that you missed to read. Your wallet, you can click it here also if you want to send or request money. You can see here the activity that you have recently. You can filter it by here, and this is the summary of your transactions or the accounts that you want to see. So in the help button, you will see here the common questions, and if your question is not here, you can go to the help center or the resolution center. So there are three ways to contact PayPal if you have some issue. There are three ways to contact PayPal if you have some issues. So here, I mean 4 ways to contact. So you can message it here. Just click this message us, or ask the community, or the resolution center, or the call us button. So I guess that's all. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and comment down below if you have some suggestions that I can make a tutorial. So good luck and have a nice day. See you on my next vlog.